Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we're going a bit beardy. Christmas is coming, just saying. Anyway, this week we're gonna do a vegan pistachio ice cream. We're gonna use Elmlea's plant-based double cream substitute and some oat cream as well. Really good combo, so stick around, we'll show you how to make it. First thing we're going to do is toast our pistachios in the oven at 150°C for 6 to 8 minutes. Make sure they don't burn at this stage though. Once they're ready, take them out of the oven and let them cool down slightly for 5 to 10 minutes. So to your blender, add 80 grams of those toasted pistachios and pulse them to start with, and then blend them on high into a super smooth paste. Now this might take a while, and they also might not blend particularly well. If they don't, then add some simple syrup, just a small amount at a time, and keep going. I mean, some places on the internet tell you not to add liquid to this. Ignore that. You can add liquid. You just need to keep going until it comes together. That, for my case, that took nearly 15 minutes, but what was left was a really super smooth pistachio paste. Put your pistachio paste aside, and now we're going to start working on the rest of the base. So add 200 milliliters of water, 180 grams of sugar, and 5 grams of corn syrup to a pan, and heat gently just to dissolve the sugars. Then add 250 milliliters of the oat cream, I'll put a link down below for this, and 80 grams of your pistachio paste. Just gently warm this through, but note the mix will not be smooth at this stage. Remove it from the heat and get an immersion blender out, or go to town with a balloon whisk like I've done. Once it's properly emulsified, add the 250 milliliters of Elmlea vegan cream, 2 milliliters of almond extract, and stir it all together really well before putting it in the fridge for a few hours. Once the base is chilled, churn it in your machine and add the chopped pistachios right at the end of the churn, loading the tub up when at soft serve stage. For those that are quick with the eye, you'll notice I'm wearing my Cookie Monster lounge pants. Sunday morning, as always. Here we are, straight out the freezer. We're going to get some scooped up and see what this has turned out like. Try a new shot with the scooping procedure, so let us know what you think. Now, this is not the first recipe I've made with the Elmlea vegan or plant-based double cream. I know it's really, really good stuff, and when you compare it to what's available in the US, which I think is a Silk brand, which isn't quite as good as this, I've never tried it. I don't know how you compare the two because they're not available in the same places, but somehow I'll figure it out. We're going to Canada next year, so I might even, try and wangle my way into someone's ice cream machine and make some while we're there. Who knows? Let's just try this and see what it's like. That is bloody good. One thing to note about this one, we're not gone too mad with the almond extract. Some vegan ice cream, they load it with almond extract and that's what you taste rather than pistachios, but this, Just a very slight, gentle roasting of those pistachios really brings that flavour out, so it actually overpowers the almond extract really well. You taste pistachio, you taste a little bit of the almond extract, but it's just enough to bring the flavour forward a little bit more. It's really creamy, a lovely little bite of those pistachio nuts in there. If you don't roast the pistachios and you mix them in, they go really soggy. So just roast them that little bit and they'll stay nice and crunchy. I mean, this is really good. I mean, this is very, very good ice cream, regardless of whether it's vegan or not. You could put this in front of anyone and they'd never tell that it's not dairy ice cream. Super creamy, super creamy. So if you're into vegan ice cream, or if you just want to try this one, this is a really good recipe. So I hope you do try it. Let us know what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week.